Hi, I'm Hugh Davis from Aberdrytho Farm near Llanelwy Brefi, Tregaron, right up in the heart of the Cambrian Mountains. I've been farming here for the last good 50 years probably. It's a sheep farm, all sheep at the moment, no cattle at all. We run a Hafod and Hendry type of farm where the sheep are on the hills over summer and the autumn, and then they come down to the lower ground then over winter. It's as you can see, it's a rough terrain and a slopey ground, but the growing vegetables and fruit is not an option. So as a group of farmers, we try and produce a unique product off these hills, which is the Cambrian Mountain Lamb. The breeds of sheep we keep around here is the Tregaron Welsh Mountain, which are a local breed that have been around on these hills for generations. They're a breed that have been adapted to these hills, I suppose, and they live on the environment, and they're a hardy breed which can produce quality lambs off rough ground.
Gathering is quite an adventure. It's done in the old traditional way, but now in these days we use the quad bike instead of the horseback. But obviously the sheepdogs are still a main event of gathering these sheep off the hills. The lambs graze on the hills between 1,000 feet up to 1,700 feet, and this is where they graze the natural pasture, which gives their unique flavour. These are the lambs we've brought down off the hill last week, some of them, and they've been grazing there since May, and they're a relatively small breed, which that's what fits into the natural habitat here around the Cambrian Mountain, and they suit our terrain, and we can grow plenty of grass for them, which finishes them off with that unique flavour.
Once the lambs are fattened, they are taken to the nearly local abattoir. It's only 40 minutes down the road. It's slaughtered locally, so everything is kept as local as possible. And the lambs are, it's a seasonal market for the lambs really. We sell most of the lambs between September and December.
It's important for these sheep to graze on these hills and maintain the way they've been kept for the last 4 generations. And hopefully, if I can, I'll be carrying on to do this as my great-grandfather used to be, and producing good quality Cambrian Mountain lamb.
We're really pleased to achieve this UK GI status in recognition of the unique product we produce off these hills, which is the Cambrian Mountains lamb.
Having a PGI status, I hope the consumer will be able to enjoy Cambrian Mountain lamb for many years to come.